Hey my Tiffany J Inspired friends, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited for today's video. As always, today I am showing you my favorite organizational items from one of my favorite stores, Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree has been one of my key stores for organizational items for us organizing our new home, and I am super excited to show you. I purchased these items recently, so they should still be in your stores right now. So before we get into today's video, I would like to welcome all of my new subscribers and say hey to my previous TJI fam that has been rocking with me since the beginning. I'm super excited to have you. If you're not yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, like this video, share it with your friends, and let's get into today's video. Okay, so this video, I'm just going to show you the item and I'm going to tell you what I'm using it for, and this might give you ideas of what you can use the item for as well. Okay, so the first item I want to show you is this basket. I love this basket. It's a light gray color. I'm trying to get a close up so you guys can see. Like I said, all of these items I recently purchased from my Dollar Tree, so hopefully they still have it at your Dollar Tree as well. What I'm going to use this for is I love to have several toilet tissue rolls in the bathrooms. So that if I'm running low, guests don't have to knock on the door, yell, or anyone doesn't have to yell and be like, hey, can I get my toilet paper? It's already in the baskets. And I'm just going to show you briefly right now how I'm going to set it up, okay? So of course this is not the actual setup, but this is an idea of how I'll be setting it up in my bathroom, just so my family and guests that have to use one of the two bathrooms in our home don't have to call out for us to restock or give them extra toilet paper. It's already in the bathroom, ready to be used. So this is just an idea of how I'll be using it. So you guys can see. Okay, so the next items I want to show you was really cute and a great deal. It's these little white buckets. You get 3 in a pack for $1, and I saw the colors gray and black in this particular style. I'm just showing you guys just so you can get an idea of how I'll be using it in my son's room. So what I'm going to do is I have crayons. Of course, I want to take them out the box, put them inside one of the buckets, and what I do is I cut up paper. I cut it up in 4 so they don't waste a whole piece of paper, and they fit perfectly inside this bucket. And what I did, and I'm going to show you at the end of this video, labels that I purchased from Amazon that were such a great deal. What I'm going to do is label each of the buckets so the kids know where to place everything. So this one will have crayons and paper. Maybe the other ones will have like the pencils and erasers, and another one has like scissors and glue sticks or something like that, just so that it keeps it organized and they can learn where different things go. So yeah, I love these buckets and I feel like that is such a great deal. Okay, so next I want to show you my favorite items so far from Dollar Tree are these black baskets. Now they are some of my favorite, and I feel like they are a great deal because I recently purchased some from another department store, and I literally paid $2.99 for the same size bucket, and it was like the same quality. So for $1, and it's the black color, and it goes perfectly with my son's room because his room is black and white. I was super excited to find these at my Dollar Tree. They also had the larger ones, which were also $1, and they sold out of the black color, but hopefully I can keep checking and it will be back in stock. So I'm going to show you how I'll be using them in my son's room, so stay tuned. Okay, so my kids have tons and tons of toys, and we definitely gave a lot away to the Goodwill and different people that needed toys. So I've been tracking his figurines and different things. So I purchased this basket that I'm going to use for his mini figurines. And once this gets filled, because they are pretty small, once this gets filled, then me and him understand that it's time to give away a few if he wants some more. Okay, this is how we try to keep track of how much we are buying for our kids, and that it's time to, you know, maybe give some away to someone else and you can get new ones. So these fit perfectly inside of this basket, and this is called the Essentials. It's by the Essentials brand. I don't know if you can see. It's a little, there it is. So yeah, and here's the detail of it. It's really great quality. And like I said, I have the chalkboard labels that I will be showing you at the end of this video, and I will be adding the link, so just in case you want to purchase those as well. And they were a really great deal. As you know, on this page it's all about deals and how you can save money but still find great quality items. So I'm really excited about that, and I purchased 3 of these because they have different smaller items in their rooms. So I can't wait to show you guys, once I do their room reveals, how I use these baskets. Okay, so next I want to show you another item I will be using in my son's room. It is this larger white bucket. I really love this bucket, and it holds so much. I already have some of his stuff in here. I didn't put everything in here, but they have a kitchen set and they needed some more storage for their food. So of course I have some of their food items in here. And once again, once this gets filled up with food and they want different foods that they see in the stores, we're going to give some old food away, and then we'll buy some new ones. Also, I have the chalkboard labels on here too, so of course I'm going to put kitchen foods on here so he knows when he's cleaning up that all the kitchen foods go into this bucket. And this bucket is such a great size. I feel like this is enough for him to have. He has a ton of food in here already, and he has more food in his room that can definitely fit in here. So I definitely recommend these $1 buckets from Dollar Tree. Yeah, they definitely hold a lot. So next I want to show you, it's not such an organization item, but it's items that I've literally been buying like crazy, because I don't want to say obsessed, but I'm obsessed with these items. And I love little dispensers. If you come in my home, you will see that I have dispensers everywhere. So I have 2 in each bathroom. I have another one that's in like my office, Nala's room. Ken has one in his room, so they're all over. I have one in the kitchen. But I purchased these because I thought these were really cute. I'm definitely going to add, I have a Cricut machine, and I'm definitely thinking about adding some writing to this. I purchased the white and the black, and what I did was I switched the knobs. They came with, of course the black came on the black dispenser, and the white came on the white. I just switched it so that it gives it a more expensive look, I guess. And yeah, I love these. Like, I really love these. Okay guys, so the next item I want to show you, this little bucket is really pretty. It's this gray, light gray bucket, and it has like a really cute design on it. And the design is everywhere. So I feel like I would see these buckets in other home stores for like $3 or so each, and I feel like $1 was a really great price for them. I've already started using them in my pantry. I might change them out and put other things in my pantry, but right now I'm using them. One of them, they have like my daughter's hair supplies in it. Another has like my children's like medicine, and things like that, like the thermometers and different things like that. And another one, I have my items in there. So these are really useful and they're pretty deep. So if you see, like, it's pretty deep, so you can fit a lot in here, and you can fit like the taller items, and it's not like they're sticking out or sticking over. So these, I feel like, are a really great idea to use throughout your home if you want to like put hair supplies or different other supplies in them. That's what I'm using them for. And yeah, so $1, and they came in various colors as well. Of course, my colors are like more of the whites and the grays in my home, but I think I did see like colors like pinks and purples in this one. This one I've had for like 2 weeks, so hopefully they're still in your local stores, but they're really pretty. They are really, really pretty. So alright guys, so if you know me, you know I love glass jars, and my Dollar Tree has some of the most prettiest, nicest glass jars. So I purchased I purchased this one. This is really cute. I have a couple of these. There's one in my kitchen that I'm gonna put like my almond flour and stuff inside of it, and then I have them in my bathroom for like my face wipes and different things like that in them. I also purchased this one. I'm not sure what I'm going to use this one for. It's really, really cute, but I can use it for the same thing, like facial wipes, or I could put like candy and put it in my living room. So they are really, really pretty. So I don't know if you can see. They're really pretty, and this one has like the little buckle part right here. So, and they are really sturdy. They're not like really cheap or anything like that. The only thing really cheap about them is the price. They're only $1. So I thought these were such a great deal. Speaking of glassware again, I'm definitely, if you follow me on my Instagram, you probably already saw that I'm using these little salt and pepper shakers for all of my seasonings. They are really cute. Like the little opening right there. Now about these, I did see them at another store. There was like 4 of them for like $3.99, which I mean, it's really still averaging out to $1 each. So some people might think $1 for these, you know, is way too much. If you can find them cheaper at other stores, I definitely advise you to purchase them. But if not, Dollar Tree has them for $1, and they look so cute. I put the black labels on them in my cabinets in my kitchen, and they look really, really cute. And I have my different seasonings in them, and it definitely works. You just grab, shake the seasonings out, and you get the going with your cooking. So these were definitely good, and I definitely recommend them. Next, I want to show you are these baskets. Once again, if you are following my Instagram, you've seen these before. These are really, really cute. These are really, really cute, and I have the gray. I wish I saw white ones. I didn't see any white ones, but I've been using these in both bathrooms. I fold up the washcloths and I use them. I put them around the perimeter, and on the inside I'll have like a bar of soap and like facial wipes and different like that for guests to use or for us to use, and it's really pretty. It comes out really, really nice. I can't wait to show you when I show you my bathroom reveal. And yeah, these are really, really cute and very useful, and the detail is so pretty. So I definitely recommend these baskets, definitely. Okay guys, so before I end this video, I wanted to show you the chalkboard labels that I found on Amazon for such an amazing deal. Actually everything came to like $6.34. Really great deal, and you get 96 labels. Of course, you're gonna see that some of them are missing because I already started organizing throughout the house. So I got 96 labels, and it comes in this pack, and this is the company. The company is Crafty Crown. So really good. And not only does it come with 96 labels, they also give you a chalkboard label pen that at first I didn't like the pen so much because I wish it was like the finer tip on them, but it's been working out really well for me, and it works really well. I didn't think it was gonna work at all, honestly, but it definitely works really well. I'm actually gonna put the link in my descriptions below, and yeah, you definitely want to buy these because they are reusable, they are waterproof, and they are removable. So if you want to take something off of a bucket and put it on something else later, you can continuously use these labels. I've tried it just to see if it's gonna rip off. It works amazing, so I definitely recommend these labels. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I love organizing. I guess after moving into this home, I got really excited of making everything more unified, and I hope these organizational tips help you. So when you go to your Dollar Tree, you'll see some of these items and get ideas for how you can use them in your home. Also, I just wanted to encourage you all just to remain fearless. There is so much going on in the world today. Many of people are gaining a lot of fear, so I just want you to remember, we will make it through this. Everything will be okay. I know we're gonna make it through it. So just remain fearless, put your anxiety down, take deep breaths, and I'll continue to pray for all of you guys. Also, I have tons and tons of videos that are coming up. I have decor videos, I have DIY videos, of course I have deal videos, I have fashion haul videos, look for less videos. I have it all. I'm super excited. So much is going on. If you like any of those categories, I do hope you subscribe, hit that notification bell, and you stay tuned. And until my next video, bye.